Hi guys, so today is day 7 of my 30-day calisthenic challenge. As you can tell, I am not training today. I'm going to take today as a rest day. I feel pretty achy, so I'm just going to have a rest, let my muscles, my body recover, revitalise, and then I'll be back on day 8 tomorrow. So far it's been really good. I'm feeling stronger already. I haven't got abs as such yet, but my core has definitely got a lot stronger. My arms and shoulders feel stronger. So far, 7 days in, seeing results already, which is really good. Another 23 days to go. And that's it. So I'll see you tomorrow.
As always, folks, take some time to click the links. Find us on social media. And thanks for watching.